right. All right, there we go. All right, I'm sure they can hear the music. I'm gonna make sure it's not louder than my mic here. All right. We're gonna hit this backtesting session. Let's see, we're gonna fill out this new spreadsheet I made as we go. But yeah, let's get it. We're up 18K on this session, but haven't been risking like proper. So, all right. So on this weekly, we are looking bearish. We're not really rejecting this 4-hour here. We did just tap this one. That does look like we are rejecting now. This range. It's daily range. Oops, these are really uneven. All right. Yeah, we're dumping. Let me see. Yeah. Okay, so we got this 4-hour rebalance here. Unless those are equal highs. We did rebalance it. Okay. So we got this 4-hour rebalance here. Okay. What's up on this hourly? So we just put in this order block here. I hate this update, bro. Like, what? Like, I can't even click the screen anymore. Alright, let's see this. So we got that 4-hour rebalance.
Would you believe that giraffes are 30 times more likely to get hit by lightning than people? Or that a single
Who cares, bro?
550 tons or more?
That's my question.
Right? How about an insurance company that actually gets right? Sounds
Who
unbelievable,
cares?
but it's true. NJM Insurance is proud to put
Wednesday,
policyholders first.
04.
Don't believe me? Well, guess what? Everything in this commercial is true and approved by the legal department. No jingles or mascots, just great insurance. Visit njm.com for a quote. Insurance underwritten. All
right, Jolt's job openings, red folder news at 10 a.m. So let's see how we open up here.
Good humor here. If your summer's sounding a lot like this.
We do have an SMT at the highs too.
Remember to make a little time for
Oh, those equal highs, bro.
The sweet, simple joy of your favorite good humor bar, such as strawberry shortcake with irresistible crumb coatings, creamy
It's like
layers,
bugging
and
out here.
fillings. It's the ultimate summer moment.
Good Humor, the original ice cream truck brand, available at a grocery store near you.
Okay, FX is bugging. It's saying these highs are like not even close to each other. Oh my gosh, I'm so stupid. No, wait, yeah, I'm right. I was not bugging. Unless that's the, yeah, that's the PO4 candle. Yeah, oh my gosh, what? Bruh, are we serious? Like, what even is that? That was whack. Alright, so we have, hold on, I'll get rid of this. Tapped into this 15-minute. Want an SMT, one of these highs up here. Sweep up some liquidity before we dump. CT didn't hold, so we can't take shorts. We we do have one there though, so this could work here. Alright. I'm on DJ Krabs Ox right now, so we're gonna hop back on Spotify here. Alright, I just ran 3 miles, so I'm like dead, so I'm just trying to blast this crazy music right now so I can lock in. Alright, no SMTs at highs right now. I want to see a little bit more buy side liquidity swept here. Maybe something like that. I don't know. I don't really want it to go down, but alright, bet. Bet, bro. Alright, that works for me. See, we close this 5 minute. Yeah, super chop here. So I don't. Bro, I'm so done with this. Can't even click the screen. So we got this 4-hour rebalance here. We inverse this 15 minute to the downside. I'll hop on this 5 minute here and see. We do have a 5 minute gap that we just made equal lows with here. Five minutes / equal lows. SMT at highs right now. Let's see, and maybe an inverse of this gap here. One more candle. One more. Yeah, see, that's why we wait a little bit. Okay, so since we just took this high, SMT is no longer valid. I'd rather see an SMT with this high anyway. One more wick. Nice. Nice. This should cook now. Yeah, this is gonna cook. No higher time frame. It's pretty choppy here. We are opening up a new 15 minute. We established the top wick of the 15 minute candle. So now we kind of expect delivery down. 15 minute candle went up. Manipulated into this SMT. We're expecting it to make the bottom of it down here. That's obviously if price goes our way though. So there's our inverse. This gap here. So let's see here. All right. This isn't low rated, but it's not A plus. I don't even think it's a 2-to-1. Bro. So here's our 2-to-1, even though our draw liquidity is that, which sucks. But honestly, I don't see price going above this anyway, above this high. We're gonna win. So I think we're just gonna dump off pretty quick here. Oh, we have an unaccounted for journal here. What's it called? So looking at this right here, usually you have your stop on this SMT high right here, so it should be like that. Oh, it's hard to draw a straight line with this brush than I thought. But I don't really expect it to go that much higher, and if it does, we were gonna lose anyway. There's our 1-to-1. Bang. Bang, bang, bang. There's our 2-to-1 banger right there. I want to see really quick though, what would have happened if we had our stop at that SMT high. See, so this is where I needed to go. Let's see if this still plays out here. Bang. Okay, so either way, it was fine. I don't really like my stop, or having a 2-to-1 trade really, where my TP is below my draw liquidity. Or my 2-to-1 is below the draw liquidity, because look, this would be a 1.5. So 1.5, I have my TP up there. But if I move my TP down, or my stop loss down to where I think it's protected still, but also in a very good spot, that this trade's a banger. Just a banger, if you know what I'm saying. Bang. All right, we got to collect data really quick. So, am I still... Bro, I was messing around so much on this backtesting. Okay, there we go. 1K? Oh, yeah, because I didn't miss that much. Follow me. All right, here we go. Dub. Oh, shoot. Dub. It says PM session. See the time I took the trade. 2:32. Draw liquidity, 5 minute plus equal lows. External bias. So my external bias was bearish too. Banger. External bias, bearish. OTE. Oh wait, we were not in OTE. I wasn't actually. I don't know why I put OTE. We just balanced EQ of this internal range. Yeah. So EQ rejection. I didn't check that, but it's kind of in my head. OB, SMT, IFEG, and DLL. Strong DLL. All right, that's all I'm gonna say for now. This is more just data collection, so it's like I want my own color for PM too. Actually, what color should PM be? I feel like London is light blue or yellow. London's yellow. PM can be. Bro, why is this such a hard decision? PM's like orange. PM's orange for sure. Oh my gosh, yeah. All right. That's like perfect. That gets me hyped now. All right, let's go. We're going to backtest all 3 sessions, even though like usually in a day if you have 2R, you just hop off, but this is more just data purpose backtesting. If it's not a trade though, I'm not going to take it for sure. I'm just going to try to get my win rate up and still dumping. Tapped into his daily, still dumping. Okay, there's our 4-hour rebalance. Still has a decently strong close here. Let's see. Up in this hourly. So we had a strong rejection wick out of this order block on the hourly. Still. Strong displacement lower. Tapped into the CE area and then continued lower. Let's see this. Looks like it's data. It is data. Data wick here. Ooh. SMT with data. When did these happen? Okay, good. I thought I would have noticed. Alright. We have an SMT with data, which is super bullish. So you can see we're already rejecting that SMT and going up. Let's see. We have this bullish order block here that we also tapped into. Longs could play out for sure right now, especially to this unfilled range. Oh, to this unbalanced price range here. There we go. All right, so it's just super unbalanced price range here. Dumps off without pretty much a bigger retrace. Also could be an OTE rejection. It is. Nice. Yeah, longs are looking super good right now, actually. Yeah, I'm gonna smash longs for sure. I want to see price not do that when it opens. Exactly anything but that when it opens. Yeah. That sucks. All right, I want to see price fill end dog here. Nice. There's our end dog fill. Maybe continue lower. I want SMT with one of these lows here. Nice. Perfect. All right. strong displacement lower. Don't blame it on me. I need SMT on one of these lows here. No, it's not clean enough. I mean, longs could pump here, but I'm not going to take a trade because of this SMT. Oh, wait. Yeah, equal lows. All right, come back down. Come back down. No, take these equal lows, bro. Dump it. Take these equal lows, bro. I hate when price does this. Good boy. All right. I really wanted to say that and then take a good trade, but I think we don't have a trade here. It's macro at all. We do not have a trade. Our conditions were not hit. 7 8 p.m. opens up lower. See if this SMT holds. Uh-oh. Nope. Did not hold. All right. Well, there was no setup that we wanted to see. There's our break of structure to the upside. So we should be bullish. Just filled this 15-minute. Oh, wow. Indecision, I guess. All right. Better than no trades, better than a loss, though. So I'm going to keep the discipline. Keep going here. All right. There we go. Those are bullish. Yeah. Bro, it has to stop happening. All right, bro. I hate this part. Like, darn, I was really hoping. Okay, nice. Oof. Nice. All right. All these lows are protected down here with SMTs. Price should literally just pump like crazy now. Let me see. Yeah, it should pump like crazy. So let's hope we get a rebalance or a retrace. I don't think we will. It literally could just pump all the way. Yeah. Oh, nice. Okay. I want to see sweep on more liquidity here. If we get an SMT with that low, I'll take it for sure. Gotta be a great SMT. Oh, we already have an SMT with this low. Let's see here. Okay, didn't inverse the order block yet. Did we inverse it? No. Okay. So our entry got cooked already. Yo. Our entry got pieced, bro. Oh, bro. 9 minutes. Made the bottom. Have this buy side liquidity here. Seems like we're just pumping. We balanced all these 5 minutes. There should be an EQ tap into on this short term internal range. Yeah. All right, this could work. I don't think it's a crazy good setup, but I don't think it's bad to a point where it's like I'm not gonna take it low risk. Especially because of how bullish market conditions are right now. I'm gonna go break even at this buy side liquidity. Okay. So this might be a break even trade. Our TP is kind of in no man's land. I I guess it aligns with this buy side liquidity though. But let's see. And we have this hourly up here, which is kind of a good external draw. Let's see if we pump up to our TP. Looks like break even. Yeah. Looks like break even. Yeah. All right. Let's look at this macro here. 1021. Break even. AM. 1021. 1 hour. There was that 15-minute getting tapped into down there. That's what this move was. Yeah. External SMT held. And do we even have SMT at these lows? And to make a dance. Oh, yeah, we do. We're going to pump. Crazy. No! Yo, I watched too far. Oh, wait. It kind of just consolidated anyway. All right, whatever. That's crazy. I want to see. I'm going to look 4 hour because we know. Yo. This shit happens one more time. I'm going to lose my mind. Alright, like, what is this? Alright, looking at this, I'm automatically bearish. Why? Huge external SMT and a really strong rejection off of it. Okay. I have to go back to Crab's Ox over there. A little bit better than mine. There's our external SMT. Targeting this hour 4 sell side liquidity. Let's see. Okay. This 15-minute gap here. I want to see it open up higher. Maybe a tap into the CE. Nice. With the apron and the head. All right. Already we have a huge SMT with all these wicks here. This high is protected. I want to see more of a futures higher. One more. Okay. All right. This setup here is probably an A plus, I'd say. A plus. These are equal highs. I don't think any of them are. Nope. All right. So A plus setup for sure. Rebounds 15-minute. Got an external SMT at these highs here. Just huge. Dumping down towards this hour 4 sell side here. But yeah, it's a pretty good setup. So if we lose, I'll be not upset because it's a great great trade. Great setup. The only bad part about it is it is right within 6 p.m. open, so and for some reason price is super choppy. This PA sucks. I could get chopped out here. That might be my break even. Nope. Wow. This PA sucks. Okay. Dump it. Blacking like asphalt. Here's our 2-to-1. Low-key makes a massive difference. Just kidding. We're gonna go break even again. Oh, dump it? Bang. Bang. Mm. All right, well, trade took 2 hours. So, I mean, was it a banger though? Heck yeah. This is Asia. It was at 6:10. Actually, I'll do military time because that's how it is on the charts. All right. That was like A plus setup. 2 hours, 4 hour. South side liquidity. Um, Ready for the money and the power and the fame right now. She will. Oh, I didn't even realize this too, actually. This bearish order block that we made too, we perfectly tapped the CE of that. So yeah, banger. Great trade. That was probably one of the best setups I've ever, like, yeah, it was a great setup. All right. Let's see. I don't know why I was thinking of that, but all right. All right, we have this data wick already that catches your eye, or catches your eye, my eye. 8:30 data. From a while ago though, but see, it's not taken on yes either. Data. All right, it seems like we're dumping to it. Pretty obvious, pretty clear. Oh, we're on the 1 minute. Oops. Oh, wow. All right. Super bearish candle here. Just an engulfing bearish candle. Yeah. It's a crazy candle right there. What day is this? So, top in this 4 hour. Yeah. As you can SMT super bearish structure again. High, low, higher, high, lower, low. Tapped into this bearish breaker. Rejected CE pretty good too. Let's see. All SMTs are still holding. We're disrespecting all bullish PDA array. Top in this 15-minute here. Let's see. We did leave this 15-minute. We have a perfect. Yeah, we just inversed that super easily. We're super bearish right now. We'd be lucky to catch a retrace. Super lucky. Yeah. Right on data. But now we're going to look at this rejection here. Now we're going to point out some other sell side points where price could dump to. Like this 4-hour sell side right here. So what I want to see right now is price have one more wick lower. Take out that sell side liquidity. If not, let's see this reaction to data. I think we're just going to pump here. Up on this daily time frame here. Weekly. Super bearish again. That order block is disrespected. Daily, we're about to inverse daily gap. 4-hour. I hate going all the way. Like, I feel like if you have to go all the way over here for confluences, though, they're not. Okay. So we have no confluences right now. We could miss longs for sure. I like the SMT with data, but I feel like it's safer to just wait for the sell side to get taken below. I don't know. Longs could for sure play out right now, though. For sure. Okay, now I like this even more. Perfect. Yo, why are we skipping 2 candles at a time, though? That's my question. I mean, bro, is this a joke? My entry's cooked now. Equal highs up there. I want to see. All right, super strong bullish rejection out of that data wick here. We're going to inverse this 5-minute, it looks like. Up here, we have a 15-minute for value gap unfilled, obviously. I like longs here. I might go I might go maybe less risk, but yeah, I really like this setup. It's not bad. I'm gonna go 500 risk. It's like a B. It's a B plus setup. I always like, yeah, SMTs with data, but at the same time, my concern was that, yeah, sell side right here. See if it gets taken. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Darn. There goes the 100% win rate. Yeah, that's the only thing about trading against bias, or yeah, bias and trend. It's like when you lose, it's like brutal. Like, bruh. All right. Not a bad setup though. I mean, L. This was an AM. Yo. 10:07. Also kind of an early for an entry, I guess. Minute 15. So confluences. All right. So, my mistake right there. Trading against my bias. As I said, I'm pretty bearish. That's just how the trend's been. Let's see. Up on the daily. So, like, look at these closes. I mean, we're super bearish. Any bearish trade right now is a good trade at this point. But yeah. So let's take a look at 4 hour here. Super bearish close, strong close. We have this 4 hour gap right here. This is a no-brainer for our draw liquidity, and where maybe we should look to trade to. Yeah, it's unfilled. We have an hourly rebalance right there. I want to see a 15-minute rebalance or a 5-minute. I'm sure I only have a 5-minute for confluences. I don't get that lucky anymore. Here's our sell side on the minute 15 here. Minute 15 sell side liquidity. Let's see, I bet you there's a fair value gap here. Nice. Tapped into this order block, had a wake up, rejected it. Nice. Like that. Filled that 5-minute, did not inverse. I like that. All right. I want an SMT with these highs here. We have one here. This could dump immediately. Yeah. Darn it. That was my entry. I was playing it safe. Super safe. Is equal highs or not? No. Shorts could still work here. I'm going to take shorts here. Yeah. Right, follow me. Our break even aligns perfectly with that sell side liquidity. The only thing I don't like is how close ES is to it. So it looks like we're going to get an SMT against. Hopefully we don't dump it. Yo! Okay. There's our SMT against. Let's see. We could go straight to loss right now. But let's see. Good rejection off those order blocks over there. One wick down, and we break that SMT. Darn. Not looking good right now. Super choppy. We had momentum on our side before, but yeah. That external SMT screwed us there. Yeah. That's what I was worried about. I'm sure it's going to break it, though. Yeah. And now it's going to dump. Yeah. You don't want the SMT to hold, but, you know, if it does, what can you do? Our draw liquidity was right with this sell side here. Hour 4 below. Now we have end dog here. Champion. Darn, we do have a red day. Sucks. All right. PM. All right. I guess that was a higher risk setup there, but it's all right. Now that we made end dog, I do want to see us pump up here. Gonna hide, bro. Hello. Okay. Maybe I want to see us come up, tap into this 5-minute right here or 15-minute here, and then take shorts down to end dog. That'd be A plus, A plus. I don't think we're gonna get it though. All right. I'm gonna gun you down. I'm gonna wait for it. I would be super happy with that setup here. I'm down to wait for it though at the same time. Oh wait. All right, I mean shorts could play out pretty good here. Like really good, but yeah, shorts could cook here. I don't want to take shorts, but we already wicked into no 15-minute. I like this EQ rejection. I like this setup a lot actually. Even though we have a 15-minute above, I'll accept the risk here. I'm fine with this. We are in a 15-minute right now. It's the only reason why I'm fine with taking this trade here. If we lose, we know why. But still think it looks good. Nice. It's making SMTs on this side, which was a pretty good sign for me. Oh, shoot. I was going to do something cool on the beat drop, but, you know. Price didn't want to work with me. Mata. Mata. I just want to be break even on this. Oh, nice. Dang. Dump it. Oh, wow. Not a good rejection there. I don't like that. Break even. Oh. If we close below that candle, I have no concerns. But nice. Dump it. Oh, I was saying. All right, bro. There's our 15-minute. Also, that was my... I should have just cut the 2-to-1 BS on this because my target was end dog, and look how far below my TP is. You know what I mean? Like, as much as I hate seeing a 1.28, you know what? It's like when your TP's in the middle of nowhere, like all the way down here, it's kind of like that part's the luck right there. But if you actually have it aligned with end dog and other things, like your actual draw liquidity, then there's no question to it. But I really like that setup. That was like an A setup. You know, it's break even. It's a pretty good setup. So break even. Asia. 1844. My entry was low-key late, too. Like, I was kind of spam clicking to wait, and then I entered all the way down here. Why did printer bug in? All right. Anyway, yeah, I entered super late here, so, Actually, did I though? No. All right, enough. That was a break-even trade. Let's get over it here. Yeah, that was like the best entry I was gonna get. Um, yeah. All right. All right. Cannot wait to go to bed, bro. It's literally 10:52 and I'm ready to slumber. Let's hop in this 4-hour time frame here. Mm-mm-mm. Don't mind my munching. I'm hungry. Um, I mean, I can see price continuing on upward here because just seems like a buy maker model. We also dumped atrociously and swept out a ton of sell side liquidity. So I think longs here actually aren't bad at all. We had a strong daily, bullish daily close. I do want to see kind of more of a retrace down to this range though, a little bit before I. Nice. There's our run. We'll take that actually. I don't like that enough. I could just, yeah, pump without me though type. Two minutes. Nice. Nice. There's our run lower right there. I want to get an SMT. Nice. Rebalance is 15-minute. EQ rejection. We do have equal lows below, but those are also a rejection wick and an order block. On the hourly, it's a clean rejection wick. So I'm not super worried about it. Let me see here. Nice. There's our run lower that I wanted to see. We have a nice SMT here. I do kind of want some more structure. Then again, though, I'm not going to wait for an inverse or anything. It kind of chop my trade here. I like longs here. We don't have any inverses. Okay, whatever. 15-second looks bullish, so we're cooking. If we wait for an inverse here, we don't have anything around. So it's like, should I wait for? I'll wait for one more close. I'll wait for one more close. There. That's why. That's why. Patience. I was about to take that too. Should know about it. I would have been so mad at myself. Yeah, I would have been, bro. I would have been so angry at myself too. Great discipline right there. New year, new me. All right. Well, now I gotta wait for those to get taken out. Okay. 10:30 now. You're dumping off of something. We need to tap into this hourly. I think I'm still bullish though. See this external range here from all the way down here. Okay, we're not. This is a pretty big range, but let's see where we reject this SMT. If we react super strong to it, I'll continue to be bullish. But if we kind of just continue to, dump through it and run lower, it's like, I don't know if longs are the move here. Yeah, look at this. Just completely ignoring this SMT. There we go. There's our EQ tap, external range. Super strong rejection off EQ. I'm going to take this here. I like this trade here. Super strong wick off of EQ. External range. We have a 15-minute fair value gap here. As our draw liquidity up. We also made another external SMT with this sell side liquidity. Tapped into EQ. All right, it's a good setup. Say plus. Actually, I wouldn't say A plus, but I'm risking a lot on this because I don't know. Not like this. Just kidding. We're pumping. It's going straight to TP. Bruh. Are we dead ass? Spotto, we gonna teach you how to bit. Straight to stop loss, bro. And then we're gonna pump after. And then we gonna pump. And then we pump. And then we. Alright, bro. NQ straight rage bait. I guess that's a lesson, bro. Wait for this internal SMT next time. Look at this. Yeah, there was none actually. And we made LRL on the way up. That's like horrible. There's no reason why. That's alright. There's literally no reason for that run lower. None. Yeah, I'll take that loss any day. We had a perfect draw liquidity. That's no biggie to me. Even though we lost the most. But chill. Bruh. Alright. It was AM trade. I'll do the rest of this day and then I'm going to slumber. 10:49. We gotta turn this day green. That's our only goal right now. That's how I do it, folks. 10:49. Yeah, we're turning this day green. What's our draw liquidity? Minute 15. All right. I don't think I messed really anything up in that. It's just unlucky that it just didn't deliver when I entered. Oh, nice. So I guess we have one trade now to make it a green day. So let's get it. Super bullish still. Let's get it. Crazy close on this 4 hour. We have this order block down here. I doubt we're going to retrace. I don't want to see a retrace, so I'm not even going to draw it up. Ow. My legs are sore. I have this hour one. For value gap below here. All right. 15-minute rebalance there. Nice. How far down is this hourly, though, is my question. Because is it realistic to see this tapped into? I'm not really sure. We do have an external SMT at highs, though, so we could just dump down to this hourly. Do I like taking shorts on a super bullish range though? Not really. Bet you were at OTE though. Nope. Yeah, I don't like shorts, I know. External SMT. I want to see this 5-minute get rebalanced before I consider taking anything. Nice. Super strong rejection off that SMT though. Shorts could work down to the hourly. They could. 5-minute above tapped into before. Nice. Yeah, it looks like shorts are about to cook. Much as I said I did not like shorts, this SMT held pretty nice here. I didn't like shorts before, now I do. What can I say? I do need SMT before I enter though. It's one of my rules. There's our SMT. Put in pretty clean. Want an IFVG. One more candle. There's our IFVG there. SMT stayed strong. Alright, I think shorts could cook here. Alright, this is our last trade of the video, so we're going to hit this banger here. 4-1. You know me. 6K. Yes, we'll take partials at 2-1. Relax. Alright, hold on. First is 1-1 for break even. Let's hit this banger. Yeah. That's not even funny, bro. That. Dump it. Dump it. There we go. Thought I was about to get stopped out immediately. That would have made me so angry. The end of the vid. Like, don't do that to me. Alright, at least 2-1. Let's go. Oh, bang. Bang. There's our 2-1. We'll scale. Which I'm feeling 50. I'm feeling 50 because see if we can hold it to our draw liquidity here. It's hourly below. I'll keep it. Whatever. We'll keep it there. I like this trade a lot, so I don't really think we need to retrace higher before we dump. We don't have a 15-minute anywhere. No 5-minute. We didn't tap the 5-minute, actually. We could retrace to the 5-minute and then dump again. Dump it. Dump it. Bro! I wanted to hit a banger. That would have been so hype. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. What's good? How's that for a draw liquidity, bruh? What's good? It's a banger. Also, yeah, we would have gotten stopped out. I was like, also, we wouldn't have gotten stopped out, but. All right. Nice little 2-1. We'll count that as a. I don't even know. I don't want to cheat, but. Bro, we're still negative for the day. It's the type of stuff I go through, bro. Trying to catch a banger for the video. That turns my whole day red, bro. Like. 1832. 1832. Asia. It's a win, though. So. Target is hourly 1. External SMT. Internal SMT. IFVG. Hour. 1 below. Rejecting anything or no? It's just kind of a full send. Oh, 5-minute. All right. Not bad. We did end the month, not the month, but the week. Or 2 wins and 2 losses, but I need to stop changing my risk every trade because it makes the data like so incorrect. Wait, am I? This also should be a green day because my 2-to-1 smashed. But you know what? It's fine. We go ball regardless. So we have our data down in here, which is kind of all that matters, even though it looks prettier if it's prettier. Sound a little sus. It looks like cleaner if I have more green days than red days, obviously, but it's all right. We have the data here that I'm going to try to fill out to like a lot. Not tonight, though, so it's the end of my video here. Peace out, y'all.